Yep, you're gonna need a new kidney. What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ6 channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace the alternator on your XJ40. So let's get to it. Disconnect the negative battery cable. The alternator is located on the driver's side, right side of the motor. Loosen the nut on the inner side of the mounting bracket thread using a 15mm stubby wrench, but I was able to get it loose with a regular size wrench. This takes a while, so be very patient. Don't loosen the outer nut, so when you go retying the belt, it has the same tension. Loosen the 10mm top tension bolt. Use a 13mm deep socket to remove the bracket nut. Lift the vehicle up with a floor jack and support it on jack stands. Remove the alternator lower mounting bolt. Use a 13mm socket to loosen the bolt and a 13mm wrench to hold the nut from rotating. Pull on the belt and the alternator should move. Pry the alternator out and adjust it so you could disconnect the wiring. Remove the 13mm and the 8mm nuts holding the electrical wiring. I purchased this alternator from Rock Auto, and it also came with a separate pulley just in case your Jaguar is equipped with a V-belt drive. When comparing the alternators, I noticed that the old alternator had this regulator just hanging off, and I assume it should be mounted. I also noticed that the components were mounted on the opposite side, but I'm pretty sure that the wiring should be able to reach it. One thing that you might have to do on your new alternator is push down on this spacer. I used a socket and some vice grips to hammer it in. Yeah, I know, I need to invest on a hammer. Install everything back, but don't fully tighten everything. You should tighten the adjustment bolt first. Alright you guys, time to start the Jag. And she breathes! She's alive! Alright, we're back on the road, baby. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and if you have any advice or tips, let me know in the comments section. Also, if your belt starts making a really loud screeching noise, you might have to tighten it a little bit more. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next one. Late. I'm gonna have to actually do this scene again, because I know this guy's about to rev his engine. It's gonna, yeah, sounds like shit. Look, he didn't even see, he almost hit the car. Trash ass truck. Nah, I ain't a hater, bro. I'm just stating facts. That's a piece of shit truck. He deleted the muffler on that little 4-banger. I don't even know why he did that shit. Alright, let me do this again.